This is Joy with Upswing Private Yoga. It's Mindfulness Monday, and I have another mindfulness meditation exercise for you today. And today we're going to do actually one of my personal favorites. It's one of the simplest meditation techniques, but I think also one of the most challenging at the same time. Not challenging to be good or bad, but just it's very open-ended, which is what I like about it. So this one is called Just Sitting, and we'll be doing just that. So as we do this exercise, a lot of meditation techniques or mindfulness techniques, you're focusing on something. This one instead, we are like the lens of a camera, we're zooming out and we are just allowing our awareness to be open. We're allowing things to come into our awareness, things to come out of our awareness, and I'll be gently guiding you through this process. So go ahead and close your eyes, find a comfortable seat or lying down, and let's begin. So allow your body to relax first. Tune in with your body. Observe where your body is touching the earth. Allow your jaw to relax, your shoulders to relax, your belly to relax. And to continue to bring your awareness to the body, just observe a few gentle breaths. Letting go of any control of the breath, just observe a gentle inhale, observe a gentle exhale. And then let that attention to the breath, you can slowly start to zoom that awareness out. The awareness now on the whole body. The breath in the body, all as a whole. A gentle awareness of the space around you. The sounds, the sensations. Just gently taking it all in. A gentle awareness that is aware of everything but nothing in particular. Can continue like this. Now, as you just sit, you may notice that your mind becomes distracted by a thought or a sensation. And all those thoughts are just fine. The mind is doing what it naturally does. I can welcome those thoughts. However, notice if your mind is repeating those thoughts. Or do those thoughts lead into a progressive storyline? If you know that your mind, if you notice that your mind has been captured by a thought and carried somewhere, just gently invite your awareness back here. Inviting your awareness back here and back now. an open awareness, gently aware of everything, but nothing in particular. And again, you may notice thoughts coming. Again, there's no need to suppress or push those thoughts away. Allow those thoughts to be a part of your meditation. But if you notice that your mind is being carried away by the thoughts, your mind is being consumed by the thoughts, then all you do is gently invite your awareness back, allowing the awareness to open. You're allowing thoughts to come, allowing thoughts to go. We'll stay here for about 30 more seconds. And awareness back to your body. Sense the body. Sense the mind, the emotional body, and the breath. And when you feel ready, gently open your eyes and welcome back. This is an excellent meditation to extend your practice if you are looking to lengthen your practice. I know this one was fairly short, just about 5 minutes, but I go ahead and encourage you to set a timer for 10, 15, or even 20 minutes and just sit like this and just notice what happens. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments below. You can find more exercises like this at my website. That's upswingprivateyoga.com. You can follow my YouTube channel. Please share and enjoy. Thank you. Namaste.